The object group by function in JavaScript allows you to group an array of objects by a certain value. Okay, now this here is very similar to SQL's group by if you've used it before, and it's a relatively new feature of JavaScript. So make sure you check the compatibility table before using this function. In this example here, I'm using Node.js 21 in order for this to work. Right here, I've got a list of users and they're all objects. Okay, let's say I want to group by the joined year. I can say const grouped by joined year is equal to, then say object.groupBy. What you pass through here is firstly the array of objects, so in this case users, then you provide a function. Whatever the value that is returned from this function, that's going to be the particular value representing the object which it is running for, because this function runs for every object. Okay, so if I was to say here, let's get the user and just simply return the user's joined value. So user.joined. If I console.log grouped by joined year, we can see that we do in fact get this new object here. The object's keys are the value which you return from here. Then you have all the items which of course correlate to that value. So 2015, 2018, and 2022. You can of course say, for example, grouped by year for the year 2018 like this. And now you only get those joined in 2018. Now, you don't need to only provide the single property. You can also apply some logic. So let's instead take this list of exam results. In order to pass the exam, we're going to say that you need to have a score of 50 or above. So down here, we're going to say const grouped by passed status is equal to then object.groupBy, once again passing in those exam results. Then in the callback function, we're going to take the results and we're going to say here, look, if your result score is more than 50, so we'll say here, if your result is more than 50, then you passed, otherwise you failed. Okay, and now we have this group by, I can console.log. And you can see that because we're forcing either passed or failed, we'll only get two properties in this list here. I'll save it, run the script again, and we get passed and we get failed, of course, grouped by that logic which we applied right there. And that is all for this one. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to Decode, and here is another video.